Hi everyone, this is the iPhone 11 in black. This particular one I just picked up. It has 128 gigs. I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to let you know my thoughts on it. So I already took off the wrapper and now I'm just going to take off the top. Let's see if I can do that. Alright, so we'll get to this. This is a nice box, nice thick box. And so here's the phone itself. I don't have a case yet, nor do I have a screen tempered glass protector. So I'm going to be real careful with taking it out. So this is the way to pick it up from this part right here. I'm going to pick it up like that. And then there it is with the wrapping still on. I think I'm gonna leave it on if I can. Put it right over here and there. And so maybe I cut this little piece off, but leave that because of the screen, so it doesn't get all. Let's see, how do you turn this thing on? There you go. There's this side button right there that you hold down and it turns on. And then while that's booting up, let's go back over here. It says designed by Apple in California. So there's nothing in here except for you have some hello stickers, instruction manuals, I think. Yeah, some instruction manuals. We'll get to that later. So we have our charger, USB connectivity. We have the headset right here. They plug right into the bottom right over here. So let's click that again. It says hello. And then back to here we have the cable. I believe that's it. I don't think there's anything else. That's it. So we got the charger cable. We have the charger piece, the headset. Right in here is the instructions. Wow, so I'm looking at this right now. A lot of different. It says hello. We are in English. United States. So this part I'm going to stop right now. So I was able to do the unboxing. I was able to have iCloud transfer over all the apps and my messages, photos, everything. So that was real nice. Everything was backed up. And they're still downloading the apps, which is fine. But it was an extremely smooth process that I had no issues. They give you a couple options actually. One's an iCloud, but there's another one that's not iCloud but can still transfer it over. And that would have took 35 minutes or so. This one only took like 5 minutes, if that, maybe 10. And it was a very quick process. It's in some ways it's similar to the 7 in the sense that the background's the same as mine. I haven't changed that, but it is at 6.1 inches screen, so it is bigger than compared to say the 7, which is a 4.7 inch screen. But when I had them next to each other, the 7 in physical size, I know I had the case on, but wasn't that much smaller than say this iPhone 11, which what's nice about it, it's screen to screen from the top to bottom, and it looks very, very impressive. So with that said, I think I'm going to end it now, this unboxing. But I do like it. It's the same color as my old one. It's the same size in terms of gigabytes, memory, 128. But I like iCloud. Even though you have to pay 99 cents a month, to me it's worth it. Get 50 gigs. I get 5 gigs free for every Apple user, but 50 gigs, that's what I pay for, and I think it's really good. And then I can always just transfer those videos and photos over to the computer, and makes everything simple. But that's what Apple does great. Everything they do you can take someone that has no knowledge of phones, and you can become an expert pretty quickly, or at least pretty competent in what and how to operate the phone. All right. So thanks for your time.